In this video, I will discuss septum method of subjective binocular refraction. In septum method of subjective binocular refraction, a septum is used in the middle of the chart so that each eye views its respective target. Example, Terweill infinity balance test. Here in this figure, this is septum, due to which right eye views only right portion and left eye views only left portion. Now let's study about Terweill infinity balance test. It consists of reversed acuity chart containing two vertical columns of letter, mirror divided into equal sections by an opaque vertical septum having a width of approximately 3 cm. Septum is located along a track between the patient's eye and distance chart. Here in this figure, this is patient position, this is the chart behind the patient, this is mirror, and this is reflected image of chart. Now let's study about a clinical procedure of Terweill infinity test. 1. Patient preparation. Request patient to sit comfortably. Septum in center of the patient's viewing mirror. Instructed to hold his or her head in an upright position and not to move head from side to side. 2. Procedure. After alignment, patient attention directed to the right side of chart. Then identification of best vision sphere. It starts with retinoscopic findings, that is starting point, and determination made until approximately 6 letters are clear. Then Jackson cross cylinder to determine presence, amount and orientation of astigmatism. Then fogging. Blur or fog the characters to approximate 612 level by adding 0.75 or 1 diopter spherical. From this point, power is decreased in 0.25 steps until best or maximum visual acuity is obtained. End point may be monitored by red-green balance, that is dew group test, to avoid over-minusing. Same procedure repeated for left eye. In the next video, I will discuss about polarization method of binocular refraction. Stay with Smart Optometry.